Welcome back to another Las Vegas house tour. I'm Brandon from Vegas. Today we are at Inspirada, one of my favorite locations in the entire city. Located up eastern, above Anthem and Some City. Inspirada is a master plan community built not like anything else in Vegas. It's connected front to end. It's meant for hiking and it's built as an actual community. We are in the third phase, the very back, by the final park, all the hiking and trails, closest to Anthem Highlands. I'm turning around so you can see the downstairs bathroom and bedroom. Not connected, but close enough that a mother-in-law suite is definitely possible. Stairs conveniently located inside of the house so as not to cramp hallway. I'll step back so you can see that. Alarm system in place. Not just a Harry Potter closet, right? With hooks in place, but there's a Dobby closet inside your Harry Potter closet. As we spin back out. Harry Potter jokes for you guys. All right. We're gonna step into the living room with this gigantic fan. One of my favorite features about any house is a renovation or remodel that took the time to put in expensive, expansive, gigantic fans. People really underestimate how much a big fan can eliminate AC. This is the modern living room TV wall. We have a Smurf tube up top. What that is a Smurf tube allows your cables and wires to go from the bottom to the top so they're not sitting here poking out and making an ugly mess in front of your beautiful living room. We also have multiple plugs, outlets, USBs, and auxiliary plug plug-in. Auxiliary plug-in. Now, let's get you what you all been waiting for anyways. More light fixtures. No, it's the, this is how you do a modern kitchen. This is how you do a modern open living room. Just one big space with the kitchen at the heart. Basin sink, perfect. That farm basin sink is a must. There's no reason to have those two different sides. Completely pointless. Shrinks the ability to do dishes or have anything in there. Great cappuccino cabinets, raised. Whoever did these cabinets did a fantastic job. It goes well with the, not tiger stripe, but like the words are losing me. But this is beautiful granite. It doesn't clash with the kitchen or the stainless steel whatsoever. I'm a sucker for custom light fixtures. Always, James. My weaknesses are fans and custom lights. I'm an easy man to please.
Just wait till you see that yard.
Yeah. So one of the downsides to Inspirada is the fact that because they have 27 miles of trails and hiking, oftentimes the backyard is what is used to compensate because so much of the activity in this neighborhood, this community, is outdoors. One of the best dog parks in the entire city is here. People come from other parts of the city to this dog park. There's pools everywhere, gigantic parks everywhere. 3 of them, in fact, with outdoor seating, movie theaters during the summer, you know, when we're allowed back together again, concerts, farmers markets, you name it. So it's a gigantic community, but because of that, typically you get smaller yards, but there are sections, as we are in today, with gigantic backyards. Another cool custom ceiling fan and lamp fixture. Double overhang, so you will never see the sun when you don't want to. And plenty of space to put a pool if you felt like it. As it is, it's synthetic grass and mature landscaping. No work at all. Peek back into this kitchen. Yeah, this is the video I'm gonna send you, James. This is great. This is a great house.
Yeah, oh yeah.
This vinyl planking is perfect. The colors, it almost seems distracting, but it's not. They blend seamlessly. How's our upstairs look?
Good.
Yeah?
It's like 4 bedrooms up the stairs.
4 bedrooms.
So this is a big floor.
4 bedrooms and then 1 downstairs as well, huh? That's what I'm talking about. This is the new paint, that blue steel gray. If you're looking to renovate or remodel your house, this is the color you go with. It is not offensive to anyone. It blends with almost every type of house. Top floor loft. Transitions into laundry room, upstairs closet. Sorry, bathroom, laundry room, bedroom 1, 2, 3, with custom ceiling fans and light fixtures in each one. Another look at that loft. 5 bedrooms, 1 downstairs with adjacent bath. Here's your master. I have a feeling big boy closet time is coming. Oh, it is. I knew it. Oh yeah. Floor to ceiling shelves, big light. That is how you get ready. Let's transition. Love the extended shower. Love the sit-down seating. Love the in-shower seating. The convenient plug for a stereo. Security, privacy toilet. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful home. Beautiful home here in Inspirada. 5-bedroom homes in Vegas are very rare. 5-bedroom homes that are new in a family community with schools inside the community, fire station, police station, 3 parks, endless trails and hiking. One of the best communities in all of Vegas. Give you guys a top-down view. Inspirada is probably